Good evening, wonderful traders. Traders, it's been a long time. I've not been in the market. I've not come to trade because of my other businesses. I was seriously busy and I didn't have time to trade. Neither did I even have time to create a video for you guys. But as it stands, today I just want to tell you that analysis pays. Analysis pays beyond all imaginations. Analysis pays beyond all imaginations. You can see in this market, boom, 500. This is my favorite pace when it has to do with boom and crash, both trading of spikes and then trading of normal trend. So you can see I'm in 5-minute time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame. This is 1 minute time frame, and you can see my market is still running. My market is still running in profit. Market is still running in profit. I can show you right now we have 1000 USD. 1000 USD. This is system. I'm using system to trade. Now, when I tell you to buy my system indicator, I mean what I was saying. I meant what I was saying. I meant what I was saying. This system indicator is a killer indicator. It draws your demand and supply. Okay, you can see when market goes up to this dimension, you see what happened from this point. Let me use an arrow and show you. When market goes up to this point, automatically, it forms what? A verified resistance level here. Look at it here. It forms what? A verified resistance level. Then there was a little movement towards down this direction. From there the market moves back, moves to this point, then try retesting back. The market try retesting back. It couldn't. It falls somewhere here. It falls what? Somewhere here. So now once I saw that stuff, I discovered that already we have a very serious resistance level somewhere here. Aside from the one on top, you can see what is happening at this point. At this point, you see what happened at this point. What the reaction of the market here. So once I saw it, I allowed the market to do this little consolidation in 1 minute time frame. You can see the little consolidation I'm talking about here. You can see the little consolidation I'm talking about. Look at the little consolidation here at this point. Then I waited a little. It consolidate, come to this place, keep consolidating. Once I saw a little movement up and then it couldn't reach the previous high, I know that it has formed higher lows. Once I saw that there is a higher low, I discover that the market is going to go down. What happens? I start stacking my market. I start stacking my market from this point. You can see where we have this red arrow. That is where I stack my market. I stack my market. I stack a lot of market, about 10 markets. And then guess what happens? The market move up a little. I was not afraid because of what? My resistant tested and verified resistance level here. So now I waited for the market. As you can see right now, look at what the market is doing. The market is still going, and then this market is getting close to my what? To my take profit one. My take profit one happens to be this particular line, this particular point. That is my take profit one. Let me show you where my take profit one is. Give me to show you where my take profit one is. Look at where my take profit one is. Let me show it to you. Look at it here. In this market, this is my take profit one. This is where I know that the market must definitely react. Then after reacting at this point, the next point of reaction is here. At this point, it is going to react massively. At least it will pull up a little to this point before it continues going down. Now, so at this point, I will like you. You can see what this our system indicator does not lie. If you add this system indicator plus this moving average, Kuflank's moving average down here, it's just a simple indicator. You will definitely be in profit. Now, whenever there is going to be either a movement in a downward direction or upward direction, this particular indicator, this blue indicator here, this blue and then yellow indicator, at this point will show you the exact way the movement of the market is going to happen. Now look at it. Let me show you something. This is how I trade this particular market. Whenever I saw something like this, look at the market first form at this point. This is the higher high, the highest point at this particular market. Now look at where where I draw this line. At this point, if you know how to draw your trend analysis, use your trend analysis, come to this indicator at this point. Now look at what happened. Now I drew it like that. I discovered that at a point the market came to this point, this one came back to that same point and then goes down, goes back, it falls. You could not reach that point again. See what it could not reach that point again. Let me still show you something. It could not reach that point again. At this point you can see the market tried coming up, it could not, it falls back. The same thing happened, it came back to this point, it breaks a little, but it could not still break this the higher height of this point. So that was what gave me the audacity, the audacity to enter this market without fear. And you can see now currently, let me show you. Okay, I can't show you because my space at this point is very, very low, short. So I am in 1,165 USD right now with just this little move that you are seeing here. So now if you check in your 1 hour time frame, you will see how the market was. In 1 hour time frame, this is where the system indicator draws our resistance level. At this point we have our resistance level. You can see our resistance level at this point. The market moves from this point, stop at our resistance level. That is 1, 2. Remember that when this kind of thing happened 3 times, look at it. Let me use something to show you. The market came down, make movements to the upward direction, and then touches our resistance level, then came back to try to come back to our verified level. It could not, it fell back and then stopped somewhere here. And then at this point, some of the people that are trading spikes have gotten a massive profit. So at this point it fell back. Okay, look at where it first fell back. It goes up, it fell back again. You know that the next thing that is going to go up, and it has formed up W at this point. No, so at this point now the market goes up. You know, when the market goes up 3 times, the next thing is for the market to fall. Look at what happened. It falls back a little at this point. It falls back a little at this point. Automatically it has formed an M. Now trying to go back again up, trying to move back again, it still retests the resistance level at this point. Now that is what gave me the audacity to place this market without fear. So at this point the market keep moving down to this particular resistance level, and the market will keep coming. I'm believing that the market will come to this point where this is where most big traders take their profit. So at this point I'm able to convince you, or not even convince, to tell you, give you my clear analysis what and how I used to trade this particular pair. I told you it's my most favorite pairs. Look at how my chart is very, very scattered. As the chart is scattering, that is how money is scattering. Thank you. This is still Intentional Forex Guru. Sign up if you've not signed up in my channel. You want more mentorship program, you can WhatsApp me or chat me up. And I think there is no how that I'm not going to help you be in profit. I have been in profit in this particular pairs for how many weeks now, so I am not afraid to trade this pairs. This is the most wonderful pairs so far. Look at it at this point. I place market somewhere here, and look at where I am right now. Look at where I am right now. Traders, look at where I am right now. So the market is still moving, and I'm expecting to remove the market at this point. So this is it. Take care, and then bye bye for now.